Okay, we're back with issues 81 and 82 of Build the USS Enterprise. Let's get busy with the build.
The Enterprise D. But how?
Okay, we're back, and we've assembled all these pieces that basically came in stage 81. Now we're going to be moving to 82, doing some installs. This piece is just going to put in place for right now, so put this piece back and keep it safe. We'll be moving over to this. I'll go ahead and glue that light bulb on there before I screw that down. The thing I want to point out is I went ahead and used the little plastic windows on this one because this time they came out with a go and they actually had an all-in-one piece, and I think that that's just fantastic. So let me get the ship over and we'll do the installation of these two pieces. Okay, we're back, and one thing we've got to make sure before we put this in here. Now, some folks that are building this ran this on the inside. I ran the green wire on the outside just to avoid any type of problems with it, because it's going to go right here. Put some tape down, make sure we don't pinch anything. And now we got to play the wraparound with the wires, making sure all of our wires are not going to be, pinched or anything like that. We kind of got them all in a good spot before we go ahead and put this down, because that's where a lot of the modeling kind of gets into a bind. I mean, where people start having shorts out when they take this, and I guess I just want to put it like that. It'd be best to go that way. Okay. Now remember with this, always you got the finally got the electrician coming for the studio lights. Oh yeah. I'm gonna double check, make sure that everything's in where it's supposed to. Okay. We'll start at the bottom with some FM screws. Get our oil out. Okay. So I do feel it kind of okay. There we go. Went down. I felt it binding up. I was like, I think it's supposed to do that. Okay, find the screwdriver. 4 FM screws. One in. I'll tell you, it's like pulling teeth sometimes. Look at that, folks. Look at that right there. That's what was binding it up. Yeah, buddy. And make sure I get that out of that. Okay. You're not binding these wires up. Too bad. That's almost happened. And this has got to go underneath there. Can't go like that. It's got to go under. Get another FM screw. Here we go. Double check this. Make sure this is not. Okay. Anyway, short it out. Okay. Now. Okay, it's okay. All right. whatever reason, doesn't want. So we're after them screws. Let's see if I can get this one in there. You're just gonna have to take it easy on it. Right there. Okay, making sure that microphone's still working. Finally, think I finally fixed it. Yeah. And that one. Okay. Whew. Okay, now over here, Todd says it calls for an AM, but Todd's recommend we go with a JM. I have a JM. I am. JM. Them screws there. By AM. I think he meant an IM. I've never heard. No, I've never heard of a JM screw. That means I don't have any. Sorry about my hair in the way. Try to see what that's. It's because I'm trying to screw it in the wrong spot. That's why. It's right here. All right. Okay. Okay, we're moving on down the road. Move on down the road. Make sure we knock it out. Good. Now we'll do these four, and then these up here. And they're all gonna be BM screws. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 BM screws. I started off here just to put the top at the top kind of line, and now I'm gonna move the one right below it just to make sure that everything's lined up. Jesus. Wait there. No, doing this whole. It was on there. Like screw. I thought it was in there. Go with this. It's weird how one going and the other one won't. Here, now I got 3 more to do. One more. There we go. Ooh, man. Okay. All right, that completes issue 81 and 82. That's in the books. Now, keep on moving down the road. It's a lot of work to do, but we're going to get it done. We're going to get it done. Thank you for joining me. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Give me a like or two. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Until next time, may the good news be yours. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching, and may the good news be yours. Check out these other videos from my channel.